Hello, Intermediate Algebra 1 students. I'm Mr. Nelson, and I will be your Intermediate Algebra 1 teacher this school year. This is my 24th year teaching here at Byron High School. Obviously, this year is going to be a different year, with some of you being in the building and some of you being in class online on any particular day. A couple things about intermediate algebra. We are going to be using Google Classroom for class. That is something different here. The math department in the past, we have housed everything in Moodle. We have kind of switched over to Google Classroom, which I think most of you are familiar with. Things will be housed in there like materials and lesson videos and answer keys, homework answer keys, blank homework packets, things like that. And that's where we'll be using that you'll need to be checking in every day. It is a mastery-based course. You'll be taking mastery quizzes along with then unit tests. So that's kind of how things are going to run. We'll go over this more the first day of class. Speaking of that, your class is during second block, so you will need to check in. Okay. Obviously, some of you will be in the building, but those of you that are not in the building on that particular day will need to check in via Google Meet. You'll be getting a code on that to join the Google Meet for class. I will take attendance at the beginning of the block for the kids that are in class, and also then the kids that are online, whether that's the cohort that isn't in the building that particular day, or if you're on the Family Flex where you are online every day. Very important that you check in every day. We'll be going through a lecture and a lesson those days, obviously, unless it's a test day or something like that. But we'll go through all of this the first day of class, kind of how things are going to run. But I'm looking forward to the start of the school year and the start of Intermediate Algebra 1 with you.